Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Being from an army family, it is a real pride for me to upload this particular video to cover the quick facts about Army Day. For those who are not aware of such a great day, which is celebrated in the form of parades and other military shows in the national capital New Delhi, as well as in all the headquarters, let us begin with vital bulleted points to do a quick recap of Army Day facts. The first one, Army Day is celebrated on 15th January every year in India in recognition of Field Marshal K.M. Cariappa's taking over as the first Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Sir Francis Butcher. Francis Butcher was the last British Commander-in-Chief of India on 15th January 1949. Cariappa led Indian forces on the Western Front during Indo-Pakistani War of 1947. He was appointed the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army in 1949. He is one of the only two Indian Army officers to hold the 5-star rank of Field Marshal, and the other one being the Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. Army Day is celebrated in a grand manner in the form of parades and other military shows in New Delhi as well as in all the headquarters. This year, which is 2021, it was 73rd Indian Army Day, and the same was celebrated in New Delhi. While celebrations take place across the country, the main Army Day parade is conducted in Cariappa Parade Ground in Delhi Cantonment. Army Day is mainly to mark a day to salute the brave and valiant soldiers who sacrificed their lives to protect the country and its citizens. During this day, many gallantry awards and Sena medals are awarded, and during 2020 Army Day celebrations, it is said that 15 soldiers were presented with bravery awards. Another highlight of this parade is that the Paramveer Chakra and Ashok Chakra awardees participate in the Army Day parade every year. To make this particular day more special, military hardware, numerous contingents, and combat display are made part of this parade. Since we know that India celebrates Army Day on January 15th every year, let us take a quick look at other important countries on when they celebrate such days. Beginning in alphabetical order, China celebrates Army Day on August 1, France on July 14th, Japan on March 10th, Pakistan on 6th September, Russia on February 23rd, UK on June 26th, and United States on 3rd Saturday in May. Praising the Army's swift action on LAC Row, the Chief of Army Staff, General M.M. Narawane, said that while remaining committed to resolving the disputes through dialogue and diplomacy, the Indian Army has been very swift and decisive in its response to counter any attempts to unilaterally change the status quo of line of actual control. On this Army Day, let us salute the great courage of brave heart soldiers who stand firm amidst adverse situations and defend us day and night. We are sage since they are awake. From guarding borders to being frontline rescuers during calamity, thanks for always being there. Let us bow our heads with immense respect and let us salute to our brave soldiers and their families on this particular special day. Jai Hind. So that was a quick recap on Army Day and bulleted points to know more about this particular brave day. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.